Okay. Oh, English. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I will be playing a game called Chainsaw. So the synopsis of the game is become a guard in this real-time turn-based combat RPG with non-stop rolling. So this is a psychological horror game from the tag of the game instinct, story-rich horror and psychological horror from it though. Yeah. So there's another synopsis of the game. Let me reduce the volume a bit. So, oh my god, that hurts my ear. But yeah, the another synopsis of the game is change. Everything was peaceful in a city of Changas, where human and other creatures have lived together in harmony. Peace regained until Isaac landed his hand on a strange chainsaw. This act triggers a chain of events that would change the world forever. Death, violence, and murder became part of everyday life. Bloodthirsty monsters now roam the city in search of more victims, and now the only person capable of putting an end to it all is you. Claim your power and become a god, face your enemy and grow stronger. Your influence spread across the world and for Apollos answer your call. Yeah, this is based on a psychological horror game. But I'm not sure how the gameplay works. So without further ado, let's try out the game. Oh yeah, the game for that the game will be out soon. Depending on your time zone, it might be out at 12, 13, or 14 August. But the demo is still here. Not sure if the demo will be there once the game is out. But yeah, guys, I will put the link in the description below so you guys can check out the game. So without further ado, let's try out the game. Alright. Oh my god, my ear. Can I reduce the effect? Is it one? Oh yeah, this is the one. This one is fine. Alright, it's still the sound is still loud though, but okay. Oh, okay. It's a picture style too. So on the computer, Isaac open his camera. It saw his face, but more important than that, it shows someone on the other side. Who is this someone? Ah, okay. Get to uh write down your name too, huh? How do you even? Okay, that's pages. How do I delete? Ah, that's the one. I just make a player for now. Of course, someone is you, player. Isaac would like to talk to you. Isaac or Isaac, directly face to face. This image it shows like that Omori vibe, but I'm not sure. I haven't played Omori, but I know Omori is not a horror game, more like an emotional story. So yeah, I will try out Omori soon. Not sure when, but soon. I think I bought the game already. No, I haven't bought the game yet. What mind is that now? I am your policer. We can consider yourself a god or whatever you like if you want. Is this like a Death Note kind of game? Is that it? My goal is a secret. Yours matter life to me. Just don't be a trident or everything will be fine. Yeah, it has that Death Note vibe though. Oh, I have to. I thought you have to use mouse for that, but you need to point and click for this. As you ready? Are you ready, player? From here on, this will be in our hands. Why not here? There's nothing to see in my house. Oh, for real? Yes. Let's go out. Oh my god, the sound. Ah, right, so bright. Chainsaw. By Ikiru 1997. Oh, is this? Oh my god, it is RPG. Attack! Ah. Oh, it is turn-based. Okay. Can I? Oh, wait, attack! It is using a. Wait, what's this? Okay, let's use attack then. Oh my god, the effect in this game, the sound effect is quite loud. And friends, oh, it's the French chainsaw. Lettuce? That's kind of scary. Oh, is that the space here? Is it we will get up an ally? Is that it? Ah, interesting. Make it at least 40 for now. It is quite loud though. Auto battle start. Yes, I want to change auto battle. Remember command. Always dash. Alright, why not? On everything. Well, is the skill. Equipment is the. Okay, I have of course it's the chainsaw. Oh. Alright. Status. We have attack 7, defense 3. Is this melee attack? Okay. Formation, not yet. That is formation. He's only used one person. Who are you? Where the hell did that guy go? Damn, I'm trying to play the hero and forget where I even live. And I still got clocked in, or they will dock my pay. Talking to myself is pretty wild, bro. Relax, ton of people do it. Oh wait, you're yep, a circular and all that. Then you call us on the news. Anyway, bro, you gonna help me on a mission? Why this MC that I'm controlling right now is so edgy? Is that the word? I don't know. But what? The world gonna end. You get me? I need to get a opposites, and you with that red knife you got there. You definitely won. Hold up. What do you mean the world gonna end? It's gonna end just like poof. Yeah, I don't get it when he said that. Like, huh? How's the world end though? It don't make any sense. For real. Don't believe me? No way. And besides, I came here to drag your ass to the cop. Alright, the famous villain pitch. Watchdog, never hero, how can I say that? But you know me, not from your heroic things. To work 6 days a week in admin at some company. Impress me, you got the guts to play position like this. Hey, office drones are people too. Didn't say they weren't. You get on my nerves. Let's cut and drop down. Wait, what? I know about the. I just want to auto it by my it though. I'm curious whether the guy can whether this boy can handle fighting that white rabbit or not. This is an turn-based, right? And I wanted it to auto battle by itself. So it doesn't even use the skill though. They both have the same HP seems, because the damage that attack is similar. Let's take this while. Slash. Oh, it's the same thing. going to attack first and like who get to beat it first, they're the winner. Special attack. The damage is not really that high though, in my opinion. Okay, 27. Who's going down first? Oh, it's red though. Ah, he went down. Oh, it's 300. Scale range was learned. Okay. Wait, stop. Don't cry. I'm not gonna kill you. Ah, why you not kill him? Oh, what happened? But now you're gonna help me, huh? I said I need help stopping the end of the world. You know. If yes. Remember the CPU. What was? No, that was embarrassing. And in string bad text even by the stand up to someone. Oh, you mean the theme song? Okay. So this is basically like an anime RPG turn-based style game. Like basically the story is similar to that. So yeah. It wasn't me who decided to put it in, but it'll be what if it wasn't. Things need the right vibe though. Now that thing is here. Yeah, let it autoplay. No! Oh, I heal myself. Oh, great. Oh. My MC's down. I take me down. Oh well, the rabbit can handle that. Trash. I wish we can change the like the setting in game, you know, like in the battle right now, so it's easy to do. The music is quite loud though. I don't know where to heal. And I don't know how to escape from the battle if I ever lose, so... Oh, fun! Fun! It's all a bad dream for real. Oh, wow, okay, that's the image. Oh, I have to start from the beginning. Still the player. Oh my gosh. Okay. Setting on. Music close to 20. It's that loud. Right. Can I like sleep again? Nope, I cannot. Yes. Maybe I should level up first. Maybe. Oh, no. Oh wait, there is something here. Oh wait. I don't think I can go there. I think that thing following me. Fun! That thing following me. Lay auto battle for now. I need to save the MP up. I don't know how to heal. Yes, for sure. on. No, dodge. What is that noise? But that thing is following me. Ah, this is the one that is hurting me. Okay, hold on. What? Can I escape from the game? Like from the battle, basically. Are you kidding me? Oh, there is a no. There's no item. Hang on. I'm stable. Come on! Before you fall off me. Hold on. Where to go? That trash bin is so strong. Okay, come on. Before that thing is going to follow me. Alright, come on. Oh, of course it's going to be there. That thing is so annoying. Defend ball. Defend. Oh, this is going to be hurt easily. Oh, it's bleeding. I don't have anything to heal though, that's the thing. Okay, that's not helping. Can I run? I just testing out for that one. No, I cannot. Okay. What happened if the MC defeated though? Because I don't have anything healing. So yeah, fun. Of course, yes. Only one left. Okay. Yep, he's going out again. I wish I could skip on this one, you know. Okay, maybe I should get the rabbit first and then yeah, get the rabbit and then I'm done. Okay, speed running. Yep. I don't know if I can go back in. Come on. Before those two join in. Oh my god, two of that are there though. So annoying. I make it at least a little bit like half, then maybe I just attack it normally. That I'm done. I think I need enough MP to get the but just attack them. That's where I stop my skill use. Alright then. Come on, come on, come on, come on, go up, go up. Come on, come on, you go up, go up. Okay, we cannot go there. Alright, fine. What? Didn't even realize there was something there. So where do we have to go then? Do we need to fight it? Oh, okay. Who is this? That's it then. From here, it is up down. There's no apparent there. That's good, that's good. Now I need to heal. Secret. Oh, what's this? Ah, this is a picture. There's a photo here. I said a girl and a wolf. The photo has something written on it. Tsubaki and Jack at Isaac first party. There's a mouse here. And then I need to lose a few pounds, but the skull is already being cruel. Turning myself in drinks was the worst thing I ever did. That stopped destroying life. He held a can of Garnana and cashew soda. What? Cashew soda? No one at the crib stand. No at the ice cream one. So sad. Wow, I really wanted to talk to them. Then why don't you go? It's just, you know how it is, mister. I was never very popular, at least not like them. Is that the only reason you want to talk to them? No. It's just that I don't know how to make friends, then you screwed because I don't know either. Oh man, but I think we'll try, you know? Can't just go already. Okay. But can you wait for me here in the meantime? No, I'm busy. Alright then. I'm still going to talk to them. Thanks for the help. You're welcome. Okay, I cannot talk to it though. Anymore. Do I have to go here? I don't know where to go actually. Is there a map for this? Someone's house. Enter! Oh, that's a version. Okay, that's it. Auto. 9? Okay. At least it gives me enough. Come on. At least it gives enough damage. That's a ghost. Yay. Skill weight. Ma'am corpse. A creep and a snack vendor. Got the key. That's the vendor's house. Papa Crips. I'm the one who make the crips, you little brat, and they're not free. Yes. Here, master. Yeah, money. I want to make more. Wait, how many I have currently? The creeps though. I cannot. What? It gives you that much? Okay, that's great. Creep is always good. Okay, I can't talk to them anymore. Okay, I cannot go beyond there, so let's go back to there. Oh wait, it's locked. I forgot it's the fence. So yeah, I cannot go from there. So I'm on the left side already gone. So where to go? Oh my god, there's so many of them here. Oh, I wasn't planning to. Okay, let it autoplay. Auto battle. Oh, it's 128. The MCHP. Come on. Yes. Why is it still screaming? That's creepy. Okay, I want to clear at least some of it to increase the XP. This one is okay. The Dreamlight, not that trash one. That one's crazy. I'm not sure what's their level yet, so after this I will check their level. What? Why? Dirty. Lactose. Oh yeah, I keep thinking about that lactose. What is that? Is that a food? Bread and butter? Yeah, I think that's the food. Oh no 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 no! That's recover 25. Just delicious only. Okay. Okay, let's fight this one then. I hope it's not the trash can again. Okay, never mind. I say too soon. So tanky, okay, that's why. Oh, now the chainsaw works, not the knife. Head injured. Oh. What? You're kidding me? Wow, the knife is not that long. Alright. Yay! Alright, only $5? You're kidding me. Just a trash can? Oh, great. Of course, yes. Attack! Okay, that's useful. I know the trash can is really annoying. Oh. Wait, his name is Mark? Oh my god, I just realized his name is Mark. Okay. I cannot go there. A perfect time for rain. Who doesn't love raining weather? That was sarcasm. I know. I don't care. I like rain. Dude, what's your problem? No problem at all. They were all washed away by the rain. So pure, so gentle. Oi me, God. Who are you? For real? I want to go back. Ah, it seems like I cannot go back. Oh, who's that? That looks like a wolf there. Oh, are you? Okay, you guys can do this easily. Not like that trash can. That's so tanky. Yay! Not level up. Oh, if he's level up, I wish it was like increasing his HP too. That's crazy that they're not increasing the HP while they're leveling up. butter. Oh, I pushed it too early. Anyway, attack! Equal. Oh gosh. Oh. Special attack. Wow, so tanky. Oh, he missed. He made me miss his attack. Yeah, there you are. Mark level up again? Are you kidding me? Why is not Isaac? Okay, don't see that small animal. That's a kanata. Katana. Kiri. Oh, interesting. Mark, take it. It suits you better. But huh? You're really giving me this katana? You know we're not friends or a team, right? I could just attack you with it. You don't have the balls for that. Attack the damn katana. Kirby is a method. In other words, you must equate it to the right person. Access the method tab in the item menu of the placing mark at the front of the team through the formation menu. Can access the main menu by pressing X. Access the method tab in the item menu of the placing mark at the front of the team through the formation team menu. Can access the main menu by pressing X. To unequip the current method, press X again. That's not the one. Wait, what? I don't have it? How I do the formation? Like that? I don't get it. It's still a kitchen now. What? Eh? I don't get it. Should he be has the weapon? Should Mark has the weapon? Eh? Eh? Why he still have his kitchen knife but not his... I don't know why he has his kitchen knife though. That's completely ignorant. So you decided to shut up here in extremely convenient, and now I also don't play who? Maybe you could call him God, dude. If you're not gonna believe, just shut up. Very well. Anyway, what brings you to manifest? To your capitalized metam language, I like to establish checkpoint. Checkpoint. A fleeting moment in time, catch you through constant and variables, a way to hack the code of the world itself. That makes me feel much safer in my mission to save the world. In a way, one could save this world will be accomplished one way or another. I thank you from the bottom of my heart for your effort, player. Okay. Anyway, when you want to start a trap space-time through software, just let me know when we're near a computer. I'm trying. Oh, there is a save file. Wait, how many? Wait, is it only one time? They need to fix, like, once the full game is out. I hope we can go back to do this again to save it. Here it is. It wasn't working last time, so there's nothing save file. Alright, and then why is this gonna open? There's a wooden board click chain to the door, prevent it from opening. Okay, one. So time to go here then. There was someone here just now. Wait, before that, oh, there were no weapon. That's the thing. Like I keep when. Oh, is this method? I don't what kind of map. Oh, I need to change to formation. And then once to do that, go to item and then menu. Mark using the Kubikiri method. So it's not you don't need to equip it, you just need to give it to. So it's like if you play Pokemon, you basically give the technique to the Pokemon, and then they give it to the Pokemon, and then you can cut it anything from it. I think I know. That's why I'm not. From what I noticed from here, let's go back to this one and then open the door. Basically, maybe it works like that. Who knows? And it doesn't. Okay. I just know it. It is. No. But before we go there, I want to see it to meet the. I want to meet this one person though. Someone was here though. There he is. Do I need to fight with them? That's the thing. Eh. It's 25 though. Wait, where's the one with the MP out here? This. Okay, then. I think this should be okay. Let's go here. What do we have here? Oh my god. Ah, too early. Where are we? I want to talk to that guy just now. So I have like more player to join in. So it seems like there's human, rabbit. There is like opposite. Oh, I think the how to pronounce it. There's 4 opposite in this game that you get to be in a party, which is Isaac, Marcos, which is Mark just now, Katerina, and Wells. So it's basically a cat. Wait, it's a human, a rabbit, a cat, and a elephant joining you in a team though. But it seems like I cannot go back to the same world, so yeah. That's why I stop. Ah, sorry about that, sir. Ma'am, but can I let you pass? Up to gender. Oh. Okay, let's go back. There's one person. Okay, let's go. I want to talk to that one person there, down there just now. I didn't make it. I will go there soon. Oh my god, every time it stopped there, it's like I out of the screen. This one. I cannot talk to them? Okay, no wonder. So let's go to the door, basically. Eh? I cannot open it? Wait, where? Oh my, nope. Maybe I should change to Mark again. Method. Why can I enter? Oh, now it works. Why are we breaking into the place where I work anyway? I think there are polters around here. I don't know how to pronounce that. The key to saving the world, you know. Kinda. I heard a while back that Fox sus- susceptible to that infection might have special talent and stuff like that. That's true, but that doesn't even make sense. I never knew what that infection was, and I need, and I myself am sick, and I have a will weapon. Yeah, that's right. Hey, hold up. Now I'm scared. You're hiding something. Nah, just forget it. Don't give me that. What do you know? That's that's a secret. And then, when a strange feeling of friendship overcame the tension and hostility between the two, freeze right there. A girl from the top of the building caught their attention. Don't think you can do whatever you want, Isaac. I deserve it. What do you want? You know damn well I want to take this burden off you. You know that's impossible. Tsubaki, you should take advantage of being free now to live how you want instead of bustling. You know the world won't be complete without you. Jack knows that too. Too bad. He's a killer now. I couldn't care less what my action will cost for others. You don't even believe that, Isaac. You think I'm joking? Why don't you come down here and how does that sound to you? If it makes you end this idiotic journey with pleasure. Ah! I'm fighting them now. Um, I going to kill is that light first. A dream life first. Alright. Sabi. Oh, wait. Rage. Oh, that is strong. Get down. Oh, it attacks by itself. Auto attack. Okay. Almost there. Head injured. Oh. Ah. Oh. Attack. Done. Oh. 130 EXP. Money. Oh. Bread and butter again. At least Isaac is level up. Ugh. Isaac, what? You're not going to try to fight me too, right? No, that's not it. It's just that, just better tell him the truth. You were just complaining that I have secret, and now you're keeping secret too. What kind of friend are you? We're not even friends, Isaac. Yes, that's true, haha. But even so, I don't want to see this. Don't want to see what? Homicide? Okay, turn around. Let's go over to the corner. The only noise you will hear is the chainsaw motor. Isaac. I don't know how to tell you this, but it doesn't seem right. You don't want to kill this girl, huh? As long as she may seem, as it's really hesitating, a strange, as strange as it may seem, the cruel and murderous individual is afraid to realize. As strange as it may, as strange as it may seem, it seems you will have to decide what he will do now, player. Don't do it then. With tears in his eyes, Asset fell to his knee. Hey, bunny buddy, you said you attacked me with that katana, right? This is your chance. Dude, I don't know what's going on for real. But you know, I don't want to do this anymore. Yeah. Know what you just called me? Bunny bunny? Sorry, I didn't mean to. No, no. It's cool. It's gonna sound crazy, but I think I really am that in the end, or at least I was. Hehe. Working 6 days a week really drives a person nuts. Not at the see you saying. I started to cry and sob. Something's wrong. The opposite seems to be losing the connection with you. Isoke allowed it. He decided to allow Isaac to experience that moment. The girl named Tsubaki, even with her wound, goes to Yoapel and hug him. The bunny named Mark, reluctant and distrustful of his own mind, decided to hug him the same way. It's all good, Isaac. Yeah, it's all good. Don't need to lie. Oh, end of the demo. Thank you for playing. So it's I'm not sure if that is the full version, like the full story of the game, like into the introduction of the game, but it feels lacking. Like what's the game is all about. There is a secret what's going on in this world about what who Isaac is and why he becoming the Apocalypse, like why he has the bunny that I mentioned, also the cat and the elephant also joining the party. That one is also lacking in the story. They're not telling you much about it, but it seems like the demo is just showing you the gameplay of the game and how the story works a bit in the game. But yeah, for me, if the demo is showing the full version of what the introduction of the game is, I feel like there's a bit lacking on that one. Like I really wish why Isaac think of that. Like since he's also a friend of Subaki, like we saw the picture in the notes on the table just now. I wish that he expand that more. Like what's their relationship with it, or just give like a short glimpse of what those friends are to Isaac basically, like in the beginning of the story, and then through like somewhere at the climax or the middle of the story or the end of the story, they show how much closeness they are with his friend basically. You know, like for me, that's a bit lacking of the story there. But overall, this is a good game if you really like games like this. I don't consider this game as psychological horror, more like story rich kind of games, but it needs improvement of the story and the dialogue, in my opinion. I know he's a very introvert person who doesn't know how to talk to people, but still, the dialogue was a bit like agey. I know it's based on that's based on the character itself, but it's just I feel like because not only the dialogue, because of the story, makes the dialogue becoming more lackluster, in my opinion. But yeah, that's it for me for the demo. Do check out Chainsaw. Everyone, I will put the link in the description below so you guys can check out the game. The game will be out soon. As I said, depending on your Steam time zone, it might be out 12, 13, or 14 August. So yeah, without further ado, thank you everyone for watching. What you guys think of the game? Do comment or below the channel so I know what below on the comments so I know what you guys think of the game, and also don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It really help my channel a lot. So without further ado, thank you everyone for watching, and I see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.